Hi there, my name is Mark Thompson. I'm the Tunnelling Manager for Transport for London, and here we are stood under Lambeth on the Northern Line extension that runs from Kennington down to Battersea Power Station, where all the new development is taking place. This extension is some phenomenal engineering here. It's a great part of opening up this area of London for development. There's a lot of development taking place at Battersea and around Nine Elms. There's a lot of tall buildings going up, bringing a lot of jobs and homes into this area of London, and it's all being facilitated by this extension. This extension we started 5 years ago with the planning. We had to get in there. We've put new shafts in at Kennington, we've built new stations at Nine Elms and Battersea, and we've completed all the tunnelling. As you can see, we've fitted out the track, we've put in the conductor rail for the trains, and we're well on with installing all the cables and communications, and we're showing that we can deliver great jobs in London and great infrastructure. We're doing this pretty much as we said we would do it. We've overcome all the engineering challenges. Hopefully there's no more dramas to come, and we'll continue working on this project to deliver it. And what we're looking for now amongst the politicians is, yes, we've got to invest in the north, absolutely. You can tell by my accent that's where I'm from, but we've got to put that Bakerloo line extension in. We've got to get Crossrail 2 moving and give it to the people that show they can deliver infrastructure for the future of our great city.
And it's fantastic under here, Mark, to see and to hear the trains on the Northern Line just up behind where we are now. People, if they glance to their left, they would actually see where we're standing now. So it must be fantastic to marry up the old infrastructure with the new here to create something which will provide an excellent legacy for Londoners.
It was some of the biggest challenges we had at the job, and some of the perceived biggest risks was to connect the new Northern Line extension to the old Northern Line, but we did that both at both step plate junctions underneath Kennington Green and Kennington Park, and also with our work at Kennington Station. And we did all that work all along with the Northern Line still running, with people still being carried through the tunnel area in the trains while we were working around it, and we haven't disrupted any trains, disrupted any passengers' journeys. We've shown that we can connect the infrastructure without disrupting the existing railway, which is showing that we can build this infrastructure without causing problems.
And when can we expect to see trains on this Northern Line extension?
So our target is to complete this by the spring of 2021. We will start running trains. We've already run engineering trains down here. We can run all the way to Battersea Power Station now. We'll be running passenger trains down here without passengers on test in sort of an engineer's railway. Starting from the summer of 2020, we've got to accrue the thousands of running hours without incident to prove that the railway that we've built is safe. And then at some point later in 2021, I think the official target is September 2021, we'll be running passenger trains here, because the opening date of the extension to Battersea Power Station coincides with some work that Transport for London are doing at Bank, which facilitates a lot of redevelopment of the Northern Line and a lot of improvements to passengers on the Northern Line.
So a real success story. You must be very proud of the work that's been achieved.
It's a great project. We've worked as one team with Ferrovial Langerote, with our designers, with all our subcontractors. Everybody's worked together, one team approach to deliver infrastructure for London and show that we can do it well.
Mark, thank you.